Takeshi and the Six Statues of God. Snow blanketed Takeshi and Eiko's small home as the new year approached, carrying with it hopes and traditions. But there was only one coin in their savings jar. To uphold the custom of offering rice cakes, Eiko offered her wedding kimono to be sold, despite Takeshi's resistance. Convinced by Eiko's determination, Takeshi set off toward the marketplace with the cherished kimono. Each step through the snowy roads reflected his heavy heart. Along the way, he encountered a statue of the god Jizo. Kneeling in front of it, Takeshi made a promise: he would return with a rice cake. Continuing through the winding path, Takeshi came across 5 more statues of gods. Each time, he paused, prayed for blessings, and vowed to bring them rice cakes. His journey turned into a string of solemn promises, all weighing on his resolve as he reached the bustling market. Inside the marketplace, Takeshi's purpose found an unexpected twist. A crying woman caught his attention. Clutching unsold hand fans, she lamented her inability to retrieve her wedding kimono. Moved by her plight, Takeshi offered Eiko's kimono in exchange for her fans, seeing it as a chance to help another. His act of kindness left him with a stack of hand fans, nearly useless in winter's chill. Undeterred, Takeshi traded the fans for a bell, which then led him to an exchange for sturdy hats. Though he hadn't secured rice cakes, Takeshi's resourcefulness allowed him to continue his journey. Returning through the snowy paths, Takeshi reached each god's statue, apologizing for his inability to keep his original vow. Instead of rice cakes, he left the hats as offerings. The last statue, Jizo, received Takeshi's own hat, leaving the man bareheaded in the freezing wind. Back home, Takeshi recounted his adventures to Eiko, who praised his kindness. That night, the gods visited. Jizo, with the 5 other gods, knocked on their door, presenting a grand bowl of rice cakes. Blessings showered upon the deserving couple before the divine figures disappeared into the night. This tale of Takeshi and Eiko illustrates a universal truth: what goes around comes around. Help others and you will be helped. Acts of generosity have timeless rewards just waiting to unfold. How will you choose kindness today? Share this story to spread its message far and wide.